What's up, guys? Adrian with AC Designs. I was going to give you a quick little tip. We bought a new hood from Auto Mail Direct for the 1968 Camaro we're working on, and we're working on some of the engine stuff today, and I was needing a soft block and we didn't have any, so found something inside these little boxes y'all might be interested in. Walk over and check it out. Inside the boxes it comes with this neoprene foam stuff to, I guess, protect the edge of the hood. So what I've done was I just cut it apart and made some blocks out of it, and that worked great for wet sand, dry sand, or whatever. But you got just a little squeeze to them. But they're inside these Auto Mail Direct hood boxes. Like I said, it's on the side, so you get two of them. So you can make 6 blocks. I made a long block out of one and a half block. These are the size of like the normal size soft blocks that you get. They're probably 1/2 inch thick or so. But walk in here to the booth, I'll show you how they work. All right, now we're in the paint booth. Here's the engine stuff. We're getting ready to base clear it. We've sanded it, high build prime. We're gonna do the valve cover. These are billet specialty valve covers. They're all going body color. All I done was, we got a thing of water here. I just wrapped my 400 in one of the blocks. Like I said, they work great for wet sanding. And we also do our oil filters when we do a car. We paint them engine color, do 4 or 5 for the customer. But here's the air cleaner, and I've already guide coated and everything. It's already pretty much blocked. This stuff works really great. It gets them pretty flat, so just a little tip for you. Cheap sanding block, you can get 6 of them. Usually pay about 30 bucks for them, but I'll do another video after I get the engine and stuff painted. It's all gonna be the cool. It's like a dark burgundy color with a lot of pearl and flake in it. But hope this video helped you guys. Like I said, just check inside these hood boxes and fender boxes when you get them. A lot of times they have these foam neoprene things. You make all kind of free sanding blocks. So y'all have a good one. God bless.